To do the job, all we're gonna need is some tape, 2K clear, which I'm gonna put the link so you can get your own, some regular water. This 2K clear, once you mix it, you got 24 hours to use it. So make sure you have a lot of project to do at the same time. With that, you can do 7 cars like this. All right, so let's get to it. Got to mention you need 400 sandpaper. This thing is gonna have a red button here that you press in. So you gotta shake it for 5 minutes. You mix it, and then after you mix it, you shake it for another 5 minutes.